Hey Blur Nation, Blur's in the building. Today is a special video. It's not because I'm special, because the PS5 has arrived to my household, and today we're going to be unboxing this bad boy. Okay. There we go. As you see, you get, I think that's the HDMI cable. Yeah, that's the HDMI cable down there. Construction manual, nobody cares, I'm gonna read that. You get another manual. You get the PS5 stand. It looks like, I'm struggling to open this right now. Oh, I see, there it is. You get a PS5 stand that helps you put the PS5 horizontally and vertically and keeps it stable. Very nice feature. I'm pretty sure, actually no, I think this is the HDMI cable, and this is the one that goes back to the PS5 to connect it to your TV. Alright. And now we get the bad boy. The controller itself, and the controller feels really nice, fits my fingers literally perfectly. Comparing to the PS4 controller, it's much more larger than I expected, and it does kind of feel familiar to the PS5 controller. PS4 controller, but the PS5 controller feels more smoother and more comfortable, and I really like the design of this controller. As you can see, it's more clear buttons on it, and the triggers on it feel very stiff, very easy to use, and it's overall very comfortable controller. As you see, there's the mic function over here, and the PlayStation button as well, which is very different to this one being like an actual button. This doesn't really feel like a button. It feels kind of like a feature, and as you can see, it lights up when you touch it. Alright. Come to the biggest bad boy. That's heavy. There we go. The PS5 itself. Let me just get the sheets out of the door. Okay. This thing is massive. It's very tall. I love the design of this, honestly. It's a very unique design. It looks very futuristic compared to the Xbox Series X, which I haven't gotten yet, but I might get one in the near future. Looks like the power button is over here and the eject button is on top. And as you can see, you need this because when you put it sideways, it shivers a little bit. And comparing the sizes to the PS4 controller over here, you can see this controller is, this console is much more bigger and larger. And if you put it vertically, you can see a huge size difference between the consoles. And there's a game I picked up, being Miles Morales Spider-Man, the Ultimate Edition. So I'm going to be doing some gameplay on Miles Morales Spider-Man and the PS4 remastered version of the original Spider-Man game, and I can't wait to play those games very soon. And that's it for my unboxing video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and peace. Blubber out.